Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from Fragrant Jewels, and this is from their Rare Lucky Bath Bomb Trio. It comes with 3 bath bombs that are shamrock shaped, a light green, a dark green, and a larger gold one. These are not available on their website for purchase since they are a rare set. You do have to be an Inner Circle member, and you have to have purchased the featured items for the month in order to acquire a rare set. But this was a really cute bath bomb. I loved the beautiful green color that it changed my water. And it was very moisturizing even though I've had it for a while. So I was very happy with that. As for the scent, to me it smelled like kind of like baby powder mixed with amber. It doesn't have any fragrance notes listed since it's not available on the website. So if you've tried this, please comment and let me know what you thought of the smell, because I am curious of what other people have thought about it. And like all the rare sets, there is no specific ring collection, which I do wish that they did have. All rare sets just come with random rings in them. And once your bath bomb is finished, it'll just stay floating at the top. And inside you will get a strip of paper with your code. You just input that onto their website and it'll give you the appraisal value of your ring, and it'll also give you reward points. And I did get 25 reward points for this, and it did appraise for $25. It's a pretty teardrop shaped ring. Love this pair. It's a beautiful emerald color. A lot of clear diamond-like stones surrounding it. Really unique. And if you'd like to see more ring reveals, I do have more on my channel that you can check out, and I have many more to come, so stay tuned, and thanks again for watching.